Hey, welcome back. Let's dive into this amazing product, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Robot Vacuum and Mop. If you're looking for a smart, efficient cleaning solution for your home, you're in the right place. This robot vacuum is a powerhouse. It doesn't just vacuum, but also mops your floors simultaneously, saving you time. Whether you have hardwood, carpet, or tile, this Roomba uses a 4-stage cleaning system to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair. It features dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust to different floor types, and they won't get tangled in pet hair, a huge plus for pet owners. With its Imprint Smart Mapping, the Roomba Combo i5 learns your home layout and creates a personalized map, letting you choose which rooms to clean and when. Plus, you can easily control it with the iRobot app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. No more hassle with vacuuming. Just tell it where to go, and it does the rest. And the best part? It comes with a mop pad designed for performance, so you get wet and dry cleaning in one go. Fill the tank with your favorite cleaning solution or just water, and your floors will be left sparkling. While it has an impressive design and solid functionality, some users have mentioned that the collection bin is a bit small, especially for larger homes, so be prepared to empty it after a few rooms. And while it works well on most surfaces, keep in mind that some users noticed minor struggles with rugs. But overall, this robot vacuum is a game changer. Always go for original products to avoid cheap copies. That's why I've shared the link in the description. It's the real deal, and you can trust it. Plus, it's currently 43% off, making it a steal. So, if you're ready to make your cleaning routine easier, click the link to grab yours today. Trust me, once you try the Roomba Combo i5, you won't go back to manual cleaning.